We're here now in Burj Attari, and I'm driving with my friend. What is your name?
Al Muhammad Alias.
That's right. And we're going for hunting. Bird hunting.
Hanji.
With this weapon.
Yes.
And we're driving here now. He's the best driver. Best driver in Burj Attari.
Burj Attari.
Yes.
Aman is best friend.
That's right.
Yeah, best friend.
Yeah, we're ready to go hunting now. Bird hunting is morning in Pakistan. Joining us on the hunt is the father of my friend Abdullah, who I randomly met on my first trip to Pakistan and who offered to host me in his village this time around. Being the most skilled hunter in Burj Attari, he took the lead in the hunt and demonstrated his shooting skills to me by hitting his neighbor's rooftop antenna on the first try. Second is Ilyas Baga, our driver. Introduced to me by his nickname Elephant Friend the previous day at supper, he was super excited to join the hunt. Being tightly hugged by his elephant friend, we have Abdullah's cousin. Many more villagers joined who seemed to come and go during the our hunting spot behind. So we'll go there now. So I was told that the winter season is the best time to go for bird hunting. In the summer season not so much, because in the summer season they are breeding. Someone there? Closed? No, not closed.
मैंने दरवाजा बंद करें ये जुबैर भाई
हाँ
जुबैर भाई
अस्सलाम वालेकुम बढ़िया बढ़िया आप
हाँ मैं ठीक हूँ आप ठीक है आप किधर से आए हैं
जर्मनी से बदल सिंगापुर में रहता हूँ
अच्छा सिंगापुर में रहते हो ठीक है शिकार करने के लिए आए हैं आप
हंटिंग यस
अच्छा
पहले बार So apparently they go hunting sometimes, and in the morning, especially in the morning, I think just for there's a big buffaloes here. But चिड़िया कहाँ है?
चिड़िया उधर आगे.
Behind. Okay, the birds are apparently behind. Yeah, there's a small lake. So I guess we will walk there, and we're now in Burj Attari, in the outskirts of Lahore. Chota buffalo. Oh, scared. Yeah, in the outskirts of Lahore. Close to Lahore, right?
Lahore, I'm Pakistan.
Okay, so it will be my first time hunting, and Abdullah's father with the gun. एक हफ्ते में कितने बार hunting?
2 दिन.
2 दिन.
1 दिन. ओ बक्या की बक्तान होए बक्ता. ऐना
So they go hunting 2 times a week, he just told me. And the guns in Pakistan, you need to acquire a permit. I was told, but I think it's not too hard to get a permit, because they own 3 guns for security reasons, of course, and for hunting reasons. Yes. But I think the first shot he didn't hit. So let's see. Then hunting के बाद चिड़िया खाते हो?
चिड़िया हाँ
खाते हो?
हाँ soup.
Okay. Apparently they always go hunting in this spot, because it's the best spot in Burj Attari.
दोवां ਨੂੰ ਲੱਗ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਆਹੋ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚਾੜੀ ਉੱਤੇ ਬੈਠੀ ਆ ਇੱਕ ਇੱਧਰ ਡਿੱਗੀ ਤੇ ਡਿੱਗੀ ਘਰ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਹੈ ਘਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੱਸ ਓਏ ਇੱਧਰ ਆ ਗਈ ਹੈ ਇੱਧਰ ਆ ਗਈ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਦੋਵੇਂ ਹੀ ਆਹੋ ਦੋਵੇਂ ਮਲਕਾ ਕੀ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਨੇ ਬਖਤਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੀ ਛਾਇਆ ਵੇ
Two birds you shot?
You shot,
But where? Over there. Okay. How many birds you usually shoot?
10.
10. Okay. Okay, he already shot 2 birds, but usually 10. So there's 8 more to go, I guess, but I'm not sure where the birds are. So maybe they're searching them right now. Also, you can see that it's extremely foggy. I'm not sure if it's just fog, or if there's also some smog. You can see that the site is it's not very far. So I think the whole Lahore region has a lot of smog. So that's why, especially in the winter. It's December now, so especially in the winter there's lots of smog here. चिड़िया यहाँ है
ये इधर ही
that one sure.
दो सॉरी कर भाई से भाई सॉरी कर भाई ना सॉरी कर भाई ना सॉरी कर भाई सॉरी
आ ला दे यार अरे गली में
What happened? क्या हुआ?
वो
Why sorry?
ये
Yeah.
बाइक डोर
block.
स्टैंड
Oh.
ब्लैक करके आ गया
ये कितना मुंडा है
Being unsuccessful at the first location, we drove to the nearby fields to continue our search. We're at a different location now, trying to hunt there. I'm not sure why we left the other place. Okay, but maybe more success here. Maybe this one better place. We will see. We shall see. Walking through guava fields right now. We got a guava in the search for birds, but apparently it's a little bit difficult. So some problems there. Let's see if he can find some.
Popcorn.
Popcorn. Someone should do cheers.
Cheers.
I think we found some birds, right? Relaxing.
Good.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.
That's it
I think didn't hit. No luck so far. Oh, he shot just now. Oh wow, he shot one small bird. First one, pehla. After our first successful hit, Abdullah's father continued to hunt for 8 more birds in the fields before he was happy with his efforts. With everyone cheerful after 3 hours of hunting, we headed back to their house where we proceeded to pluck the dead birds, remove the skin and organs, and prepare them for cooking. Later in the evening, I was served 4 of these birds in a delicious soup.